Doesn't teach you to play in the street. Doesn't go backwards very well. The button on this is a little. Well, perhaps
There's no place to change it to the right time. It's supposed to, I guess, when you plug it in, it's supposed to know what time zone you're in. Area code, but it's not seems working.
Shadow.
Just go at him real fast.
It's really hard to
So I
stop
think
it
this is about
backwards when
battery
you want it to go forward.
Gotta have a battery backup in this thing someplace. It's recording the time from where we were before. But I haven't found a battery
Just
backup.
go right in and just go.
Right.
Oops, I'm going too far away.
Give me the book back! Hey! Hey, what's with that?
Keep going with the Chinese. I think that's working. I think they're just about to let you out.
Give me the book back! For crying out loud, just give them the book back, please. It'll give us some peace and quiet.
Forget about it. They're not giving you the book back. Drop the book.
I wasted enough time with you. What?
Josh,
What about me? What about me? Give me the book. Hey, give me the book. Hey, stop. Listen, stop.
You're not in the East, okay? You're not in China. This is the West. The sun doesn't rise here. It sets here. And you're closer to getting us hung than you are getting that book back, okay? Now just... That's what I'm talking about. You're wound so tight. You're the most irritable guy I've ever been around. Just relax for a second. Take 10 minutes, and then you can go back to school. I promise. I'll join you. Okay, just relax for a second. Come on, sit down.